I can't believe this Safemoon holders. I can't believe this bad fails, my friend. I can't believe it. You can see here the Safemoon has completely fails down. Therefore, I make this video, urgent video for all holders, my friend. You can see here the all cryptocurrency is moving like a rocket, but I can't believe it. How is it possible to Safemoon fails down very badly? A lot of holders tell me to this slowly down. And please tell us to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So I tell you, my friend. But first of all, you remember, my friends, to I do a prediction in this video, my friend, and then we decide to they go on after upcoming time or they fails down, my friend. If you can see here, my friends, then the last previous day very badly fails down. 43.91% they fails down, exactly very bad fall, my friend. You can see here completely this is the resistance line, my friend. You can see here, and this is the highest point. You can see here, my friend, and this is the bad falls point, my friend. So you can see here, if we check out they moving and like this style, my friend, they go on and this style. You can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump, my friend. So if you can see here after a very bad fail, my friend, they take a slow jump, my friend, and after that they fails down again. So it's mean, my friends, so they cannot touch the highest point here. So this is definitely, my friend, very bad news for all of you. Therefore the change occur and negative. So let's get started, my friends, the prediction to upcoming days. They're moving up or they fails down. But before I get started, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very important to you subscribe our YouTube channel, because this channel provide you a very latest updates of all cryptocurrencies and also guide you in every critical situation. My friends, if you can see here this time they go on and the critical situation, you can see here very badly, but they're moving like a snake, my friend. You can see your zigzag going. So every cryptocurrency moving like this. After a jump they take a fails, my friend, and after a fails they take a jump. So absolutely they're moving this time. You can see here the price is also 0.00009 US dollar, my friend. In upcoming days they very badly fails down, they come to 0.6, my friend. So let's see, my friend, this time. If you can see here, let's check out the last 1 hour chart, my friend, to what's going on in the same time, my friend. Yes, exactly, my friends, they are completely straight going down. Can you see this? This is, my friend, reality. They are completely going straight down, my friend, and here as minus 10% fails down in just last 1 hour. Everyone understand what I taught you in this video. Safemoon holder, a lot of holders telling me to FOV sale at this time. Absolutely all of you are in the loss, completely under loss, my friend. So therefore definitely this is not a losing time, this is not a selling time, because you can see here this time the price is come to 0.009 to 0.005. Absolutely 4% they my friend, they come going down. So this is very definitely, my friend, very bad fall. So what you do in this critical situation, my friend, you can see here they completely falls down, and if you already sell that time you are in the loss, everybody in the loss. So this is definitely don't sell at this time, my friend. Please definitely hold it and wait for the end of this month, just 2 or 3 days, my friends. Definitely wait 3 days. I hope they give you very good profit. If they not give you a good profit, then, my friend, they are save you from more loss, my friend. They give you a very small loss, my friend, if you wait just for 3 days. This is my tips, my friend. I tell you, my friend, just advise you. Otherwise research personally on Twitter, Google, but I researched, my friend, in the last 24 hours, my friend, for Safemoon. Then I found this reason, my friends, to they go up in upcoming days. Absolutely very badly fails down. So if we sell at this time, absolutely we are in completely lost. So I hope, my friend, in the coming times they go like a rocket, they take a very good jump. So please hold it, don't sell it. Safemoon holders, remember, subscribe our YouTube channel. I guide you every time. I tell you, my friend, this is selling time, holding time. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching. Like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel.